In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or log in to the Fliki AI application using your Google account. So let's get started. If you haven't already installed the Fliki AI application, just go into the application store and tap on search. Then search for Fliki AI. And once you have installed the application, open it up. Now, right away, you will find the options to sign up or log in using your Google account or your email. Tap on Sign in with Google, and this will now show you all of the Google accounts that you have logged in to your phone. Tap on your preferred Gmail account, and this will begin the sign up or login process. If you already had an account before, you will be logged in to your existing account, and if you didn't have an account, you will be signed up right away. This process doesn't require you to enter a verification code while you are signing up. However, it is always wise to check the inbox of the Google account that you used to see if there is any verification link. Once you gain access to the homepage, you can immediately start browsing the various features, and you can now plan, produce, and edit your videos right away. And there you have it. That is how you can sign up or log in with Google on the Fliki AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.